Tips for preventing ear pain while wearing AirPods.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing some helpful tips to prevent ear pain while wearing AirPods. We all love the convenience and freedom these wireless earbuds provide, but sometimes they can cause discomfort. Don't worry, though. I've got you covered with some valuable advice to keep your ears happy and pain-free. So, let's jump right into it.
Finding the right fit.
One of the primary reasons for ear pain is an ill-fitting pair of AirPods. It's crucial to ensure that your AirPods fit properly in your ears. Here are a few tips to help you find the right fit. 1. Try different ear tips. AirPods Pro come with multiple ear tip sizes, while regular AirPods offer a one-size-fits-all design. Experiment with different ear tips to find the one that provides a snug and comfortable fit for your ears. 2. Secure placement. Make sure the AirPods sit securely in your ears without wiggling or falling out. Adjust the position and angle of the AirPods until you find a stable and comfortable placement.
Taking breaks and limiting volume.
Extended use of AirPods at high volumes can contribute to ear pain and potential hearing damage. It's essential to take breaks and set a reasonable volume level. Here's what you should do. 1. Take regular breaks. Avoid wearing AirPods continuously for extended periods. Give your ears a rest every hour or two by taking a short break from using them. This allows your ears to recover and minimizes discomfort. 2. Volume limitation. Listening to music or other audio content at excessively high volumes can strain your ears. Keep the volume at a moderate level that is comfortable to you and consider enabling volume limits within the device settings to prevent accidental loud bursts.
Cleaning and maintenance.
Proper cleaning and maintenance of your AirPods can contribute to a more comfortable and hygienic experience. Follow these tips to keep your AirPods in top shape. 1. Regular cleaning. Clean your AirPods and their charging case regularly to remove earwax, dirt, or debris that could affect the fit or cause discomfort. Use a soft, lint-free cloth and mild cleaning solution to gently wipe them down. 2. Replace worn-out ear tips. Over time, the ear tips of AirPods Pro may become worn out or lose their shape, compromising the fit and causing discomfort. If you notice any deterioration, replace the ear tips with a new set to maintain a comfortable fit. There you have it, some valuable tips to prevent ear pain while wearing AirPods. Remember to find the right fit, take breaks, limit the volume, and maintain your AirPods properly. By following these tips, you can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and calls without any discomfort. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Take care and keep those ears happy.